Oh, well, our waka's just pulling up. Let's get ready to roll. And it wasn't in neutral. Bike wouldn't start. I'm going, why? Why won't the bike start? Not in neutral. Hey, only 2 years been riding, come on. No excuses. Still learning. It's Brother Jack. Being cordial with Brother Jack this morning. I'll be posting up his cordial in his ride. He rides the fat bob. Heaps of Māoris ride. Wouldn't even know it. That's what Māori bike riders Aotearoa is all about. Meeting our men and women who ride the winds of Tāwhiri Mātia. Man, that sunrise is stunning, whānau. Aroha mai, I can't show you it. I don't want to be using my Insta360 anymore. It's too much post you have to do with it. Oh, hard. Just want to get this content out to you straight away. But let's have a look at these motorbikes anyway. These dirt bikes. See them dirt bikes up there? We'll follow these poaka kuni in front of us, these ones here. Plenty of dirt bikes. We all riding the motorcycles around here. Me. So if we were to turn right, you'd be going to Ahipara. Hopefully you can hear me, because it's pretty windy. So if we were to turn right back there, that'll take you to Ahipara. Went there yesterday. I think it took about an hour and a bit to get to Ahipara from that barge. And then we turn left, and this will take us to Panguru and also Mitimiti. Today it's meant to be just cloudy and sun. So very blessed to have good weather on our side ever since we've been up here actually for these past 3 days. For me, I like to have my wife ride in the front. It's a safety thing for me. You may have your own way of how you ride with your loved ones or your friends. But for myself, I have my wife in the front because then our speed is to her comfort. I just get a bit worried if I'm leading. A lot of people try and play catch up. She's got a street 500, and if I was to overtake, she would try probably to overtake too, and she doesn't have much power. So it's a safety thing why I let her in the front. It's not because she wears the pants in the whānau, okay? Some nice roads around here. They got some nice bends and turns, and they're really safe if you just follow the rules. They're like, for instance, this is a 55. You're going to make it around the corner alive if you do it at 55. So it's all about safety for me now. I mean, it has always been, but even more so now. On corners, I like to go wide, look around the corner, see what's coming, and then turn. I go wide, look over the corner, and turn. I don't do that all the time, but again, I sent my full license about a month ago, and that was one of the techniques the instructor Mark from Pairua Revs mentioned to me. He loved the fact that I could go wide, look around corners to see vehicles coming, and then follow through on the corner. I really do hope you guys can hear me. I'm doing about 70. This road is an 80. It's all about being safe, I do. A real rider is a real rider who gets home to his loved ones at the end of the ride. It ain't about how fast you go, how cool you look. I don't do that anymore. I mean, yeah, I don't do that. I've never done that. Anyway, you must be bored out of your fellas' brains. I'm just going to enjoy this cruise over to Mitimiti, and I'll catch yous over there. Māori bike riders, you know where we are, Aotearoa.